Hey everybody, now we're going to look at number 46, which also refers to the data listed on the previous page. And now we're looking at a program is writing a procedure to calculate a student's final grade in the course using the score replacement policy described. The student's exam scores are stored in the variables midterm exam and final exam. The procedure max AB returns the larger of A and B. Which of the following could be used in the procedure to calculate a student's total points earned in the course and store the result in the variable adjusted total? As you can see, each of these has adjusted total and what could possibly be stored in it. So let's go back up to see what that policy is. So grades in a computer science course are based on total points earned. The teacher provides a way for students to improve their grades if they receive high scores on the final exam. If a student's final exam score is greater than the midterm exam, the final exam score replaces the midterm. So here's our final, here's our midterm. For example, Josephina got a higher score on the final exam than she did on the midterm exam. So let's look at the options. And we know that max gives us the larger of A or B. So for this one, the right answer is B. And you can see that the adjusted total is going to become the max of either of these. And in the case of Josephina, for example, it's the final exam plus the final exam. So as you can see up above, based on the grading policy, what the teacher is doing is if they receive high on the final, they are going to replace the midterm score. So Josephina, for example, would end up with two scores, a 90 and a 90. Khalil, because he did not do better on the final exam, would end up with a 90 and an 80. So let's see if that works with option B. And with option B, we're picking the max of these two. So for Khalil, the max would be his midterm exam score and the final exam score.